Everybody. Today is a glazing day. I think most of it is only students that made it, kids especially. So let's look at it and see what came out. Okay. This, I love it. It's not smooth. I think the clear glaze was not as I expected. You see here, there's like I don't know if you can tell there's like it accumulated here more than other places, but I still like it. I like it. That's an ashtray. You see there was a crack here, but turned out to be fine. I like it. Yeah, I really like the way it turned out to be. Also this we also put clear glaze on it, but nothing. That's just like the glaze, the underglaze with the clear with the clear glaze in it, so that's why this shines more than this. But look at that, he made it cracked so bad. I mean, I like the effect, but doesn't matter how many times you tell students not to make too thick of a coat, it doesn't make a difference. That's cute. I like it. And that one too. I think this kid she made it, I don't know how old she is, 6, 7, no, maybe 8. That's also nice. I like it. And this, oh, what can I say? To me, it's terrible. But I don't know. Maybe they'll like it. It's their creation. It's like, for me, some stuff, it's like it needs to be like a perfection. See here, you can see the clear coat, and inside too, but the outside, I wish I could explain what's going on in the kiln. This turned out to be beautiful, even though the clear glaze didn't turn out to be as, I guess, as they expected. Okay. That's nice. That Sophia made it. It's cute, but what happened to the clear glaze? I don't understand. Maybe it was too thin. But you see here, it turned out to be nice. And here you can't tell that there was a clear glaze on top. I don't know. So it is what it is. This is amazing. This side is prettier than this side. This also, we put clear glaze, nothing happened. I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with it. Maybe because it's my clear glaze is for high temperature and not for low temperature. Maybe it didn't complete the effect because of the temperature. I wish I understood. because I asked Nikos, and he told me that even if it's a high temperature, it doesn't. Well, I think it's from 1,000 to. This is for high temperature. Maybe that's why. I need to find out. I need to speak to Nikos. Because I never use low temperature. This kiln was a high temperature. It was 1020. None of it came out with glaze. That's weird. It's cute that Sophia made. Raz made it. That is so weird. Well, I can say word from here to Timbuktu. I think that's the reason. This is what happened. What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe it's the combination of the clay and the glaze.
No, what do you think about the product?
Oh, they're cute.
You think so?
Yeah, for them, for students. It's nice to see something come out of the kiln.
I don't know. You think I'm too perfectionist? Because
No, it's not masterpieces, of course, but they are cute creations.
Maybe. Maybe it's just me, myself, and I that I... Here, you see? That's... Oh, here's a good example. You see this? Same. The outside, it's the same. I dipped it like they did. So here it turned out fine.
Same clay?
Same clay. Same glaze, clear glaze. So I don't know. How come mine turned out to be like that and theirs...
But you didn't use the underglaze.
There's underglaze here. But here, for instance, I did put clear glaze. But you can't see it. It's like it doesn't exist. And I mix it with the blender. Oh. It's always a surprise. What's gonna come out? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this, Raz made this. You see? Inside, fine. Outside, all right. This is the lid for that. Beautiful. That's all his creations. I don't know. If you like it, I like it. Wow, it's so hot in here. Oh my goodness. All right. I think this is the best thing that came out of this kiln. Don't you think?
Yeah. It looks like paper mache.
Paper mache, yeah. And
the grenade.
Grenade. Why would kids think of grenades? It's hot. Anyway, thanks for watching. It is what it is. I can't say that I'm happy about what came out, but I'm going to share with you next time to see what they thought of it. So thanks for watching. You can share and subscribe and like, comment. Thank you. Bye from Cyprus.